What up, guys? All right, today we're gonna be honing the cylinder. Just got the hone in like 9:30 this morning. Yeah, we're gonna be putting the bike back together today, and hopefully we'll get it started if everything turns out well. So let's get to it. All right, so I just felt inside here, and I mean, from what I can see, it completely took away all the scoring and everything that was on the side of the cylinder. So this did a great job. So now that the hone is done, we're gonna take some parts cleaner, clean out in here. You're really supposed to take off power valve cap, or the whatever this is, and all of it, and I'll do that later when I have the tools. All the tools are at the unit right now, but I'll spray in here with parts cleaner, wipe it out, then spray some WD-40 in there everywhere so it doesn't, you know, get rusty and stuff. So, I'll do that. So when you clean this out, you want to make sure you like get all the debris and whatever's coming off the cylinder out of all these ports and, you know, all that stuff. So get a paper towel and wipe it down. This thing is just covered in just grossness right now. Might need to get some Q-tips and really go at it. You can see it all in here and stuff. But looking in the cylinder, there's a little bit of cross hatching, which is good. And all the marks that I could feel before are gone. So that's, you can still see a little bit. I don't know. You can still see that there's still some marks in there, but I can't feel them with my fingernail, and that's what you're going for. So we'll clean this out a little bit, and then next we'll be putting on a top end, and then hopefully we'll get it running today. All right, so got the top end on. A lot easier the second time doing this. I put a new top end on that bike over there, the 85. This was the first time doing one, and it sucked. It took me an hour. This time it took me about 10, maybe 15 minutes, so getting better. But that's the new piston. Rings are on good. Arrow facing the front of the bike, as it should. Take a look at this old piston. And this is what happens when you don't run your shit with coolant. Let's see if I can. Like, that is just a mess, dude. But the flex hone, I will buy another one of those when I have to do another top end, because that thing worked like magic. So if you're redoing your top end, you have some scoring on your cylinder or transfer, buy the flex hone. Spend the money. Go to I think Rocky Mountain ATV or wherever you shop, motorsport.com. Go to your local bike shop first. But yeah, this thing, I mean, you can see that the rings are they can't move. So, but they were on the right place, so that's good. But now we'll stick the cylinder on and hopefully we'll get it running in the next hour. Put it all back together. Still a few things to do. Gotta do grips. I tried to put the new lever on, but you know, this part was too big for some reason, so I don't know, maybe I need to get a new perch. That's what I had to do last time. They're only like 10 bucks, but yeah. And haven't tried to take this off. I need to do that. Grips, as I said, this gas tank is sitting up a little high, so it might lower the not the CDI, the ignition coil somewhere else, but I don't know why it's like that. But we'll start it up. I got a new pipe for it, used one. Looks a lot better. I mean, some of the old style pipes look pretty good, but that one looked like shit. I don't know where it is, but oh, there it is. Yeah, it looks like garbage. Yeah, that does not look sick. So that will just go into the pile of other things to do. Yeah, everything's on, and we'll cross our fingers and hopefully it will start up. I'm always very skeptical, but I'll try to get her going here. Quarter. Oh man, that air screw was like all the way out. You want to turn out on that, see what happens. I am so stoked. I'm psyched on this. Nice. I can't wait to ride it. All it needs now, we got some new tires we'll put on there. These ones are not looking too good. The back's not too bad. The front one is definitely when the rubber gets old, it cracks. So I mean, these back ones, I got a new old set of tires, so we're gonna change them all out. Grips. Don't seem to need bars. These are good. And levers. And we'll be ready to sell this bike. I'm stoked, dude. Hell yeah.